Robbie Makinen speaking.
I'm standing here in the East Village Transit Center, which is the cornerstone of the Prospect Max and a $56 million investment from Ride KC into the Prospect Corridor in the city of Kansas City.
Antonio Arbello speaking.
I've used Ride KC since 2013 for shopping, doctor's appointments, to go out on the town.
Jim Fettgatter speaking.
Typically, I will catch a bus via Ride KC on Troost Avenue at 73rd Street, and then transfer up at 75th, and then take a Prospect bus to work here at Alpha Point.
Reinhard Mabry speaking.
So Alpha Point is the largest employer of people who are blind in the state of Missouri, one of the largest employers of people who are blind in the country, and we are also one of the largest provider of rehabilitation and training services to people who are blind in our region. So people who've recently lost their vision come to Alpha Point and receive all of the skills that they need in order to maintain themselves in their community and live an independent life.
David Johnson speaking.
This really is a partnership between the Kansas City Area Transportation Authority and Alpha Point. Alpha Point is providing all of the what we call O&M, or orientation and mobility specialization. They help people transition to visual impairment if it happens, at some point in their life. And so those experts who help people navigate the real world without vision are helping us write the instructions for people in the app.
Back, bus B.
So it's just saying bus B.
Robbie Makinen speaking.
In that vein, what we've created here at Ride KC is Ride KC Navigator. Ride KC Navigator is a application that is designed specifically for folks like myself with a visual impairment to be able to access not only a little piece of the Prospect Corridor, but the whole corridor.
Shall we start with
David Johnson speaking.
The vendor we chose to work with, Sensible Innovations, this is their first transit project, so I was really excited to sort of help guide them through the process. So their first time integrating trip planning and vehicle tracking and real-time information will be available in the app. So if you're visually impaired, a lot of times these interactive kiosks and wayside signage, aren't going to be very helpful for you. Even though we have a little jack where you can plug in and hear the information, that may not be obvious. And so having the mobile app that gives you those directions and the real-time arrival information for the bus is really putting them on a level playing field.
Antonio Arbello speaking.
This app will be something that I've never had access before, and will help me be able to navigate the city a lot better, and so that I can be more independent.
Jim Fettgatter speaking.
I've lived here for 35 years, and so to have this kind of situation in Kansas City is a real feather in the cap for Ride KC, and just an incredible, innovative experience.
Reinhard Mabry speaking.
This app is going to open up the community to people who are blind. It's going to be able to allow people who are blind to navigate spaces, areas in the community that they previously perhaps didn't feel comfortable going into because they didn't know enough about their surroundings.
Robbie Makinen speaking.
The ability for myself and others like me to be able to use this application opens up the whole Prospect Corridor, therefore a lot of the city, to us. And I am very excited about the fact that the folks at Alpha Point were critical in helping us develop this application.
Robbie Makinen speaking.
From someone who is visually impaired, it's just a fantastic asset that I now have to be able to access this city, whether it's for job, healthcare, education, or just going about town. So if you get a chance, download the app, Ride KC Navigator, and let us know what you think.
Scan QR code to download. For more information about Ride KC Navigator or other Ride KC services, visit ridekc.org or call 816-221-0660.